book is written by Robert T. Kiyosaki, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. As we know, there are a lot of rich people in the world, and there are a lot of rich people in the world, like Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the richest man in the whole world, and he is earning. He is the founder of the space. And if why? Because he is doing a business. And if a normal person, he say that he want to earn money like him, but he can never do that. Because why? If we is doing a job, if you are doing a job, then you can never earn that much money as a business. So here we can take an example that a normal engineer earning about to $80,000 per month. So if he say that I want to save my money and earn about $1 million, so he say that I save my $80, that will make him about to 16 years to take save $1 million. But if he without taking his rent and money and other all the payments, but if he pays all the expenses, so that would be about it will take about 1 million a year to save that much money. So here the Robert T. Kiyosaki say that you should learn how to do a business. So this book will teach us financial intelligence. The every person, when we all grow up, we forget the financial intelligence. That we forget the financial intelligence. The like in our we forget the financial intelligence. Our parents, they forget to teach us financial intelligence. When we all grow up, we forget, like we don't learn about financial intelligence. But the wealthy families, they teach their kids financial intelligence. They have a secret that they give to their kids, and that's why their generation they all are rich. That is why because they have financial intelligence. But this book is the story of two dads. One is rich dad and poor dad. One and the difference between these two dads, one dad say that I can afford it, but the other say how can I afford it. One dad say that do a good job, study hard that you can find a good job, but one dad say study hard that you can find a good company. Then this bookstore one day Alan he said to Mike and his Robert, they both went to his rich dad and asked him that you should tell us how to earn money. The rich dad said that okay, I will tell you how to earn money. The rich dad said come and work in my store. They started working in his store, and after a week the rich dad paid him just 10 cents. And then the Robert, he became very angry. He said that why are you just paying me 10 cents? I worked for a whole week. Then the rich dad said that this is a problem. We all are not rich because why? Uh, Life pushes us, all of us around, and we some people forgive, and some people leave that for give up, and some people say that we will fight for it. Some people say we will fight for it, and some people say welcome, they welcome life and say that it should give us more pushes, and they learn from that. And that is why wealthy people never do a job for earning. They always do a job for learning. But the poor, they do a job for earning money. So this is the problem, that we all are not rich. So if we want to earn money, then do a business, not a job. And if you're doing a job, then take it as learning, not as earning. So here then after that what happened, that the Robert said okay, I will do a job. Then what happened, the rich dad said that we all have two emotions, greed and fear. That's why we are never becoming rich. Why? Because that two emotions are fear and greed. We are always stuck in the trap because of these two emotions, that are we are working for a little money or rest of our life. So he said that fear is that thing, like we are earning money and we are saying that we should earn more and more money, because why? Our relatives will say that we are poor. So that's why we are for a little money we are working that much hard, that if we should not lose our job. And as greed, we say that I want to earn more money from my job, and I want to take new clothes, new shoes, and everything, new products. Why? Because I have the emotion of greed. And like for example, a person doing a job for 10,000 and he go in other institute and do a job for 12,000. Why? Because they are paying 2,000 more, and that is why he is not rich, because he have greed. Why? Maybe in the 10,000 job he is doing, maybe he learned more, and then next time after some time, then he can earn more money. Then this is the problem, that we all are not rich. But after some days both of the kids. Then after some days, the rich dad said that please, he said that come and work in my store. Then Robert said, okay, I will come and work in the store. Then what happened that the poor dad, he was earning nothing because he was doing a job, and rich dad, the two kids, they started learning, they started learning the other schoolwork. But the rich dad, he took them and said them that come and work here and work. He told them how to generate money. Then after that, at last what happened that the two older comics were lying around the rich dad's store. Robert and his best friend Mike, they both made a library in the basement of the rich dad store, and there he made a library, and then all the classmates were entering in the library and earning, paying 10 cents and 30 cents. They were paying that, and after in whole week, Robert and his friend, they were earning about $9 and 30 cents. And this was the first, in their journey, this was the first inspiration of earning money. They made money to work for them, not they made money to they didn't make money to eat or to fulfill their expenses. They made money for work for them. So in the last, I want to say that if you are doing always do a business, and take always do a business, and if you have a small business, do it, but never do a job, because for a job you're working under someone else for the rest of your life just for little money.
Okay, thank you.